Get TensorFlow certificate with me. Google has decided to shut down TensorFlow certificate. There are many complex reasons for it. Currently, we have the most popular framework for AI is PyTorch, and TensorFlow is lagging behind that a lot. So that's why even though certificate is getting closed, it still has value because only 11,000 people are certified, and this certificate, once you get, it's valid for 3 years. So before the exam gets shut down forever, book the exam before 30th April and take the exam before 30th May, so that you can get this certification and you can be among 11,000 people who are certified in the world. You can see yourself on a directory, and definitely for getting a job, this will be very useful. Okay. So I am doing this, and I'm going to give exam, I think, at the end of April. So follow along with me and you can also get certified, and whatever questions you might have, just ask. Okay. So let's see. Going through TensorFlow Developer Certificates Candidate Handbook. Okay. Here it talks about what is the curriculum you have to master, and this curriculum is divided into 5 sections. Basic TensorFlow skills, then you have basic neural network skills using TensorFlow, and then it goes into image classification, natural language processing, and time series prediction. So these three are three important different types of problem which can be solved using TensorFlow. So if you want to get a job in anything AI related to images, it could be generate comics, it could be do classification, it could be do image processing in a factory, it could be whatever. There are so many things you could do. So then that domain is this domain of image classification. If you want to follow the LLM hype, if you want to do anything to do with, let's say, chatbot, if you want to answer customers' question, if you want to categorize different kinds of tickets. So there are infinite possible use cases in the domain of natural language processing, and that is the the fourth chapter in the curriculum. And similarly, if you have prediction and values dependent on time, today the value is something, tomorrow the value is something, day after tomorrow value is something. So the first example you can think of is share market or anything where we take values periodically. So healthcare is one big domain here, share market, finance, anything periodic. This is that time series thing. So three different domains, we go through the introduction of all three, and this is the basics of neural network. And once you have studied all this, you are eligible to be TensorFlow certified. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to study this. If you follow along with me, you should also know enough to be certified. I'll give the exam and share my experience with you. And after I pass the exam, you can also attempt it, because I'm trying to help as many people as I can to be certified in the same way.